Clearly, one of the biggest challenges for schools when we increase operations from the 29th of June will be the implementation of stringent social distancing measures. Young people naturally gravitate towards each other, and they won't have seen each other for quite some time now in all likelihood. And this is why we will be providing a physical infrastructure and a learning programme which together will establish a strict framework for the development of pupil progress and well-being within the context of the absolute imperative to protect the health and well-being of all users of the school building. As a key part of their induction back into school, pupils will receive support and training so that they fully understand the importance of adhering to school expectations around conduct and school rules. And we know that our parents and carers will work very positively and productively with us on this. From a personal point of view, I am very much looking forward to being able to see staff and pupils back in the school building again. Ours is a school where interpersonal relationships are an exceptional strength, and one thing that has been brought into sharp relief for me during this closure period is that the fuel that warms a school is that which comes from the many physical interactions that take place on a daily basis within the school building. And this is why we are doing all we can here at Coedcae to ensure that our school is a safe place to which our pupils and staff can return with confidence.